What's up, YouTube? My name is Edgar and I'm the Walmart technician. How you doing today? Today we're going to talk about the role of the technician. What does a technician do? Okay. Well, first of all, the technician's role is to show up in the morning or in the afternoon, whichever way you schedule at Walmart. You walk in, you look at the paperwork in the computer to see which vehicle is next. Okay. After that, you have to check the screen. The screen goes into three colors. Green, which is the paperwork has been written up about less than 5 minutes. Okay. Yellow, it's been there a little bit more than 5 minutes or 15. And then you have red, which is there. It's been there for a while, like about 30 minutes, about an hour. Okay. That's when you start worrying, okay? Because you have to fight bay time. Bay time is a lot important, okay? You gotta make sure that the cars go in and out as soon as possible, okay? That's the thing. Another thing you have to do once you start working there, because you're in high school, remember, or you're in college, so you want to get this job, right? Because you want to make it a career. Is make sure you go around the vehicle and do a 360 inspection for any dents, cracks, pretty much that's it. Anything is wrong with the vehicle, you jot it down, okay? Put it on comments. Same thing with the interior, okay? Something's wrong with the interior, jot it down, put it in comments. A key factor, if there's personal items in the vehicle, food, money, merchandise, don't touch it, okay? Put it on comments. Personal items did not vacuum, and that's it. One more thing you gotta do is make sure the dashboard there's no lights on, okay? And I'm talking about like engine lights, suspension lights, any type of light. Let's say you just finished off a car and you notice there's a check engine light, okay? You didn't put it in comments, did you? Okay, you hand over the keys to the service writer cash out to the customer, and the customer drives up. Then 30 minutes later, you receive a phone call saying, "Hey, I got a check engine light. Do you know anything about it?" Service manager looks at you, asks you, "Hey, did you know there was a check engine light?" You look at him, you say, "Yes." Why did you not put it in comments? Now we got a problem. Okay, now he has to come back over here, okay, and sort this thing out. Okay, now guess what? That customer's upset. He has to go to the dealership. He finds out there's something bad with the engine. Guess what? Okay, we were the last ones who touched it, right? So what you're gonna do now is hope that how much is gonna be the bill, because those things get expensive. When you go to dealership, it's gonna cost you what, $150 for just to scan it, okay? Plus whatever's wrong with the vehicle, okay? And guess who's gonna pay? The company. And guess who's gonna get after you? Okay, your ACC manager is gonna get after your service manager. Your service manager is gonna get after you. Okay, and it might come down to paperwork where you have to sign stuff, get written up. Okay, you don't want that. Okay, another thing that you want to know when you become a Walmart technician is how much you're gonna get paid. Okay, you get paid. The pay system is by the hour, meaning you get paid hourly, not flat rate, which is a good thing, and I'll tell you why. As you can see during events like Christmas, summer, Thanksgiving, what's called, I know I'm forgetting this one, spring break, there you go. You are busy, okay? You're making money, okay? You're making a good money, right? But what happens when it's slow? Not a lot of people. Oh, better yet, if you're in San Antonio Spurs, man, they're in the finals. Nobody's going to shop right now because everybody's watching the finals, right? Go Spurs. Okay, you my homeboys. Shout out to you guys. Um, it's gonna be slow. Okay, or better yet, look, the COVID-19 pandemic. It's been slow business, but you know what? If you're a Walmart technician, you're doing something else. You're getting paid regardless if it's slow or not, or if there's no customers or not. Okay, you're getting paid whatever you're getting paid. I get paid $15. What are you making? Uh, um, your education. Your education. If you go to college, you just got your associate's degree in automotive or a certificate in automotive, you go to apply there, they're not gonna hire you because you're overqualified. And Walmart's looking for people that are not qualified. Okay, people like, well, people that they're not certified. You know, people who are not certified, that they're looking for people that can pick up a wrench and easily just do an oil change. Those are the type of people, mom and pop shops, do it in your own backyard type of people. Yeah, yeah. There's no training, okay? There's no manufacturer training. All you're gonna have is a fram book that's gonna help you in your career at Walmart technician or in your automotive career to start. That book is used for looking up oil filters, cabin filters, engine filters. Those are the only three things you're gonna be using. That's the only thing you're gonna be using on a vehicle to look up uh, on that book. Another thing, you go inside the department and you go look at the wiper blades, books, the miniature headlights, the headlights, books. That's pretty much it. That's your training right there. Okay. And whatever knowledge that you learn from the technicians, that's because they learn it. There's no standard. If the next person next to you knows a little bit more, you're gonna have to learn from him. Same thing if the other guy in the third bay, he knows a little bit more, you're gonna have to learn from him. The training that you go, it's mostly associate safety. You take CBLs. They train you on basically active shooting, associate safety. What happens if there's a spill, how to identify the spill, how many feet a distance. And there's another one for the environment where, as a technician, you're going to learn what oil affects the community and everything like that. That's pretty much your training right there. And then you have basically, oh gee, I don't know, just experience whatever you have. It doesn't take that much in Walmart, so you'll do fine.